Hey, I'm Alethea Bruzek, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to Made from Scratch. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Today, I'll be making chicken soup from scratch. Let's get started. First, we're going to need to prep our vegetables. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of chopped carrot and 1/4 of a cup of chopped celery. A few tips on knife safety. Always move the food towards the knife instead of the knife towards the food. Keep your fingers away from the blade as you push the food towards the knife. Using a rocking motion, chop your carrots and celery in even bite-sized pieces. Next, we're going to prepare our onion. We need 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Now that all the ingredients are prepped, let's go ahead and get started on our soup. Don't forget to read your recipe before you get started so you know when to incorporate what ingredients. Over medium heat, in a 3-quart saucepan, combine 2 15-ounce cans of fat-free chicken broth, or you can use homemade. Then add 2 15-ounce cans of water. Next, I'm going to add our celery, carrots, and onion. Next, I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves that I just pour into my hand and crush them up a little bit. While we wait for our soup to come to a boil, I want to share a few tips that I have on using canned food products. So, I use the reduced sodium version of chicken broth, and the recipe I know calls for fat-free, but Walmart didn't have that at the time, so I chose the reduced sodium. Whenever you have the opportunity to choose between reduced sodium, fat-free, things like that, choose those options because they're going to be a little bit healthier than your just regular basic chicken broth. Another example I want to share is the chicken that we're going to use in our soup recipe. This is chunked chicken breast with rib meat in water, fully cooked. It's the low sodium version, which I absolutely love. It tastes just the same, but it's a little bit healthier. So look for chicken, tuna, any canned meats that are either canned in water or their own juice. That way you're saving on sodium and extra added fat. Once the soup has cooked for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender, you can add both cans of chicken and the juice. Next, you're going to want to add your noodles. Noodles are optional. While we wait for our soup to finish cooking, I want to share a few tips on how I made this recipe. So, when I added the chicken, the canned chicken that we used, that's canned, fully cooked in water, I also poured the water. I didn't drain the chicken. I just put the contents of the whole can in the pot with everything else. Basically, that water that's in the can is free chicken broth, so you might as well use it. It's delicious, adds a lot of flavor, and it's still low sodium, so you're not, adding extra salt to your soup. One tip that I will share is that if you're going to do that, I would suggest that you use a bigger pan, because once you've added that extra liquid from the canned chicken, it can make your pan a little extra full. Mine's working out pretty well, but just for future reference, you might want to use a larger pan. Thanks for watching Made from Scratch Chicken Soup. You can pick up your free kit that goes along with this program at either the Boyle County Extension Office or the Boyle County Public Library. Join me in the kitchen next month when I make smoothies. Don't forget to fill out the survey in the comments. Thanks.